Nice size, buddy. Look at this guy. Nice size. How are we doing today, people? I hope you're enjoying the videos. We're on our way to a notable location. It's not highly popular, but it's a gorgeous location. You're gonna love it when you see it. It's known as Acono Gorge and Falls. I recently just did a scout to the location to make sure it's safe, put up some ropes. I have an extra rope just in case. When we're on our way there, we'll be crossing about 4 streams. And following the 4 streams, nice little gorge and falls. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think of the location. All right, let's enjoy this location, people. We should have a good time. Ooh, yeah, it's a good day today. And some, hopefully get a good picture here, the group picture later on today. But yes, this is how the trail starts. It's a old dirt or slash grass road that goes in a bit. Usually this carries you up to the ridge, and at the top of the ridge there's a trail that splits and heads to El Tacush. If you want, you can head to Cora and the next way I'll go straight and go down in towards the Rincon Valley on your way to Maracas or Las Cuevas. Who?
I come today for a reason.
You don't know what's going to happen. You're famous for getting any video. You should have known he was going to say something. Yeah. Going downhill, you wouldn't feel anything. Huh? Going downhill, you wouldn't feel anything.
You're trying to get me on camera.
Yeah, trying to get everyone on camera. This is the 5th river crossing here. Then it's going to start to go mildly uphill just to bypass the little rock scramble. So this has a small 5-minute uphill thing, nothing steep. Yeah, Solomon, you can do your run up on this hill. You can run up on this hill if you want. How are you all doing back there? Nice. Yeah, yet. Go for it. If anybody wants to take a dip in the nice water, cool off the body temperature. It's a nice little pool. Yeah, Candice? You going for it? Alright, Candice is the first person to jump in the water. Go ahead. How you feeling there, buddy?
Yeah, more wrong vibes. No more wrong Kubin.
Yeah, because it's small. Yeah, wait till you get high up. The pools are much bigger. This is the upriver we are continuously going on. Be careful on these rocks, they are very slippery. So when you step up, make sure you're standing up perfect first before you put your next foot on it. Because it's very slippery.
This one is the grip than these water shoes.
Going through the first gorge. Come on, see, first gorge, first giant rock area. Check this magnificent tree. I always love trees that sit on the water's edge. Those are the most gorgeous big trees. Yeah, it's a bit slippery in that little pocket. Oh wait, we're missing some people. Check this gorgeous baby of a tree. Yeah, it's a nice little mini gorge here that we walking through. What? Is me laughing at? Boy. Alright, all movement that have me on edge. Look at this magnificent. A mini falls. And there's the big gorge. Come and see this, there's a nice little pool inside here. You can swim on a little mini gorge climb. I'll bring a rope for this area.
I still don't see where actually we did it.
We ain't reached there yet. Come and see this nice little pocket pool. Everybody could come and take a dip here. Yeah, you gotta pass through here.
Yeah, most likely. Oh, this is long.
Yeah, there's a log to walk across in this pool deep. So I want to make sure everybody here first. Alright. So here we are. I finally made it back by the gorge and the waterfall. A little cave. And we're here to enjoy yourselves for a little hour. Everybody swim a bit. So this gives you an idea of what we've had so far for the day. Same thing I showed everybody before. It's like a little cave we're inside. A little gorge and cave. Let's go see where Candace is hiding. Awesomeness here. And this is the Acono Waterfall. That's in the Acono Gorge. Hey there, Shell. Happy belated birthday.